Avery. We made it. The last year has been incredible. Our time together has been some of the best moments of my life. Your smile, kindness to others, and unwavering strength captivates me. Your ability to find joy in the simplest of moments continues to amaze me. I am blessed to be called your husband, blessed to become one with you and experience God's amazing life for us.
Devin, I love every piece of you. You are calm and steady. You push me to be the best version of me. I promise to show up and give you 100% of me. Our love story has been my favorite. From Kearney to Georgia to starting our lives together in Norfolk. There's no one else I want to share this with. You always make life so much more fun. I can't wait to start this next chapter of my life with you. You are the light of my world. I love you.
We've only just begun. The whole world in front of us. Anywhere the winds might blow. Oh, with you I'm home.
And today he's perfectly brought the two of you to this moment in time so that he can begin to build into your lives the perfect marriage, the perfect example of his love, and the perfect example of what a man and woman in Christ look like in marriage. It's the beginning of a lifelong journey that begins with the vision that God has set aside for both of you to share together.
With this ring,
I wed you,
I wed you,
and I pledge you
and I pledge you
my love,
now
and forever.
and forever.
Devin, you may kiss your bride, your wife. Devin and Avery Stroh.
Anywhere the winds might blow. Oh, with you I'm home. And it's painted in the sky. With forever in our sight. Anywhere that we might go.
For the Bachelorette, we played a game, and I think I texted Devin about 11 questions. One of those was Avery's best characteristics, and he said her kindness and love. The love these two have for each other is just incredible. I can't wait to see what the future has, and I'm so grateful to call these two some of my best friends. I couldn't ask for better people to be in my corner.
Devin, we couldn't be more proud to call you our family member. We've got to know you over the last couple years and can't wait to continue the journey. They've met our family and still asked Avery to marry you. Must mean you really love her. To Avery, we couldn't be more proud of the choice you made that brought us all here together today. To marry Devin and to spend the rest of her life with him.
Avery turned out to be the most perfect older sister anyone could ask for. I know that you make Avery so happy. You support her, you're patient, you make her feel secure, and she loves you so much. Thank you for constantly giving her the love that she deserves.